All set now, ready to race. Race number 7. The favorite, Penbrit. Away they go. Moving up by the rails, Batangas Fighter rushing up Cogaralas and racing on the outside. Cheese Blanca Penrit is running by the rail. Batangas Fighter followed now by Penrit in second. Cheese Blanca is racing in third, running Portco Garalas, John's Memory, Pinay Beauty, while Perwin is running at the tail of the field. Batangas Fighter, Penrit, Cheese Blanca is racing on the outside. And rounding the far turn, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Penrit. Now the leader, Cheese Blanca on the outside. Batangas Fighter as they race the last 550. Penrit, Cheese Blanca is racing on the outside. Batangas Fighter as they swing for Cheese Blanca on the outside. Penrit, Batangas Fighter. Last 250. Penrit regains the lead, and on the outside is Cheese Blanca. Penrit by about 2 lines. Cheese Blanca in second, and nearing the finish line, Jeff Tagulaw Zarate on Penrit. Dorsfield, JB Guse on Batangas Fighter. Second, Cheese Blanca. John's Memory, Cogaralas, Pinay Beauty.